Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to log into your Binance account on your laptop, step by step. It's a straightforward process and will cover everything you need to know. First, open your favorite web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and go to the official Binance website. Once there, look for the Login button, usually found in the top right corner, and click it to begin. Next, you will be prompted to enter your login details. This typically includes your registered email address or your phone number, depending on how you set up your account. Below that, you will need to type in your secure password. It is crucial to double-check both your email or phone number and your password to ensure they are entered correctly before proceeding to the next step. After entering your credentials, Binance will often require a security verification step. This might involve solving a quick puzzle or a CAPTCHA to prove you are not a robot. Following that, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to enter the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app or a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. This adds an extra layer of security. Once you have successfully completed all the verification steps, you will be logged into your Binance account. You will be directed to your personal dashboard, where you can view and manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. From here, you can explore various trading features, check market data, and perform transactions. Congratulations, you are now ready to navigate the world of crypto on Binance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.